In our previous video, we have created a website in just few minutes using ChatGPT. If you missed that video, go and watch that video first. Now in this video, we are going to deploy that particular website onto the internet. And through this deployment, we are going to learn 4 important things. How to create a GitHub account, how to upload your local code onto that GitHub account. Third one is how to create a free project onto a service named Netlify. And fourth one is how to deploy your GitHub repository onto the internet using the Netlify service. And for all the phases, from creating a website till deploying it onto the internet, we are going to use totally free services. Also, in the last of this video, I'm going to share you a pro tip which is used by many people in order to earn a part-time income. So let's get started with the video. So this is our website which we have created using ChatGPT. Now we need to upload it to the GitHub in order to deploy it onto the internet. So just create an account on GitHub. So let's open github.com, click on this particular link. If you're already a user, click on sign in or else sign up. Here you can see a very good interface of GitHub. Now you need to enter your email ID @gmail.com. Let's enter your password, continue, username, continue. No, just solve the puzzle, just make in the direction of this particular. Here we go. Okay, now we have received an code here. Pick that code from your Gmail. So here are we onto our Gmail. This is our code. Copy, paste the code, enter your basic details. So you are having a team size of, let's say, 20-40. You are a student, let's suppose. Continue. Here you can see the plan, but we are going to use the free plan of GitHub. This is initializing our dashboard, and here we are onto the GitHub dashboard. Let's create a new repository where we are going to deploy our website. Create repository, enter the repository name, ChatGPT web app. It's available. You can give a description, just make it public. For now, add a read file just for a brief introduction of repository. So we successfully created our first repository on GitHub. Now in order to upload our local code onto this particular repository, we need to follow some basic steps. So let's make few steps. Copy the HTTPS link, go onto the terminal, open the prompt, git init. So we successfully added a git file here. Currently it is empty. Let's pull down our remote repository here. So git remote add origin. You can give any name here. Paste the link which you copied from your repository, that is your HTTPS link. Press enter. You added your origin here, so you can check it. Git remote -v. Now here you can see we already have an origin which we pulled right now. Now let's make a commit here. So git add git commit -m. Now let me explain what we did from this particular commands. So we first initiated a git file here from a command named git init, and then we added a remote repository which we created earlier. Then we checked that either we have successfully added our remote repository or not. So we successfully added it. We need to add a commit in order to push this code. So let's make it something website created using ChatGPT. Make it simple. Create a new terminal. So write a command git push origin main. And okay, so you need to allow the extension in order to log in and authorize the Visual Studio Code for this. So let's make a git pull origin main dash rebase. In order to do a rebase, now we can push simply by sending the command. Now here we go. I successfully pushed our code here, and when you checked onto our remote repository, you will find all the files onto your repository. I will write down all these commands into comment section if you want any reference. After successfully adding the code into repository, we need to go to Netlify in order to connect this repository with the Netlify account. So go and create a Netlify account. Netlify. Open the link. So here you will see a dashboard of Netlify. Now if you are already a user, you can simply do a login, or you can register yourself onto Netlify. Now it's totally free. So we already have an account. So let's open that particular account. After doing login, you will see an interface like that. You have to create a team and deploy multiple projects onto that particular team. We already have a team and some projects added into that. You will see a create new option where you can create a team, and you can click on add new site in order to add your website here. So let's click on add new site, import an existing project. Now you can deploy your project using any of the version control system. In our case, it's GitHub. So click on GitHub. Now here you will see an authorization page. So click on authorize Netlify. Here they ask for what are the repository you want to allow in order to Netlify to use them. So you can simply click on add repository and install. Now here you will see all the repositories which are going to be listed over here. As you can see, our website is here. Now click on to this. Now these are some of the project setting or build setting which we can do. It will required when we deploy any kind of project which uses any framework like React, Angular and something, where we have build command in order to build that particular code. In our case, it's quite simple website, so we don't need any kind of build command or publish directly or function. Just click on deploy ChatGPT web app and wait for few minutes in order to complete the deployment process. Here you will see a domain name, quite weird. So you can click on domain setting in order to change the domain. So you can enter, let's say your website is of news, so you can simply add a news app here or a unique site name. I will go with a ChatGPT FinDev save. So here you will see our domain would look like this, ChatGPT FinDev Netlify.app. Now check the status. Now after a few minutes, as you can see, our website got deployed. You can see a small overview of your website here also. Now you need to click on your domain, so just click here. So great, you have successfully deployed your first website onto internet, and here you can click on home. Will got navigated to your website, and it looks quite exciting because your local work would going to be used by multiple people onto the internet. Now you can simply share this particular link to anyone who can open and use this particular website. For an example, let's open an incognito mode and paste it, enter. Now you also can see your website here or in any particular browser by simply pasting this particular URL. It's quite same as the other websites work. They have domain, we simply enter onto the domain and it will look visible to all users. Now coming to the bonus tip, you can deploy multiple websites on Netlify. Also you can deploy your personal details by converting it onto the website and paste the same link onto the resume in order to impress your recruiter who is hiring you for any particular role, because that is something which you did different from the other candidates. Also, it took a lot of effort to create such a video by using multiple sites, third-party URLs, which will add some real value into your life. So if you like this video, do subscribe to my channel for more such informative videos. Also, if you want to earn online, subscribe to my channel, which will going to help you a lot if you become a freelancer, a developer, or any specific person who want your online presence. And that is going to be necessary in the future. So if you want to grow with the future, you need to learn all those things, and you should start learning from now. So if you learn something from this particular video, like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more such informative videos. Also, as you can check, we successfully deployed our website. So I will put this particular link into description, so you can also check this particular website that either it is working on your end or not. I'm 100% sure that this will work on your end. And any website which you create using ChatGPT, you can simply deploy it onto the internet so that other user can use that particular website. It's quite fun, right? So I hope you like this video and find it quite informative. If yes, then do subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.